I'm on an early Sunday morning hike at Iroquois Park. It's windy, it's dark, and there's a chance of thunderstorms, but it's not raining yet. See my first deer of the morning. Still not raining. This one just ran back in the area I'm coming from. There it is, way down there. I only see one, so I don't think I'm going to try to follow it. I'll get some video from a distance. Yeah, this is a buck. I see the new antler growth. Yeah, there's two down there. Where'd the other one go? There might be more than that. Oh, there's quite a few in that area. I'm still watching them from a distance. I think this one was bedded down that it just got up. And it's running off. I'm not going to try to follow them. See another deer. There it goes, running off. Probably going to catch up to the other deer. That's where they ran off. With a chance of thunderstorms and rain, I didn't bring my new camera. I've got my old camera. This has scratches on the lens and spots behind the lens. I've abused this camera. I've dropped it several times. I've had it out in the rain. I've had it out in the snow. I've wiped the lens off with whatever I had, which probably caused the scratches. But it still does a pretty good job. I just don't like those spots behind the lens that I can't get off. Found another deer in front of me. The way this deer is walking, I think this is a pregnant doe. She's up there eating. And I think she's alone. I don't see any others in the area. I think this doe's the one that has a bad leg. She was one of the last ones to get pregnant. Her right front leg was injured. Now where'd she go? She's up in that mess somewhere. Found her again. She runs like her leg's not injured. You can only tell her leg is injured when she walks. She has a limp. I'm out here off trail hiking. Looking around, I don't see any deer, but they do have a lot of hiding places. That wind is getting stronger. But it's not raining yet, no thunderstorms. It's about 70 degrees. That breeze feels pretty good. Here's some new mushroom growth on this log. I'm lucking out so far with the rain, but I have a long way to go. I'm on my way up to the top of this hill. I'm up here close to the top. I just found the deer. She just got up. She was bedded down. That was already past her. She got up and now she's eating. She didn't run away from me. Maybe she got up because she was hungry, not because I was here. Stretching now. Yeah, she's very close to me. There might be some more in this area, but I'm not going to look around for them. I'm gonna keep on hiking. I'm way up here at the top now. She's still down there eating. I thought I was going to be hiking in a thunderstorm. So far it's been fantastic. I haven't felt a drop of rain yet. But that's subject to change at any time. But I'm not too worried about it. I've hiked in thunderstorms before. I kind of enjoy it. I love the sound of thunder. And I have my old camera with me, so I'm not worried about damaging my camera. Found another deer. Two deer. It's getting darker out. Still see the deer up there. Here's the other deer up here. I'm on my way up to the top. I'm hiking up this hill. Always hear a Carolina wren in this area. I'm not going to make any attempt to try to find it. But I love that sound. Someone's getting some thunderstorms. I hear the distant thunder. I'm on my way up to Summit Field now. My wife just called me and says some severe weather's headed our way. 60-mile-an-hour winds and hail. So maybe I better start heading to my car. I see Summit Field up there. I'm going to cut through there and then head down to my car. Yeah, the thunderstorms are headed this way. Well, my luck ran out. It's pouring down now. I'm walking through Summit Field on my way back to my car. See some lightning. Hearing a lot of thunder. I'm actually enjoying this. I've got an umbrella. See? It is pouring down. I am getting soaked. The wind is blowing the rain on me. This is fun. I'm going to take the Corbly Trail down to my car. I'm going to turn my camera off now. I'm on my way down the Corbly Trail. This is a short trail. There's a lot of water running down this trail. Getting a lot of rain. camera is soaking wet. Glad I didn't bring my new camera. I'm at the bottom of Uphill Road. I'm pretty close to my car. The golf course parking lot. There's my car. Time for this old man to go home and dry off. There's a mill mallard duck in the pond. This is the pond next to the disc golf course. There's the dedicated mama goose still on the nest. Poor thing. I'm parked behind me. I'm leaving this pond now.